In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone to Meta Business Suite. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to invite a new person, choose what they can see, and control what they're allowed to do inside your business assets. First, open your browser and go to your Meta Business Suite dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the correct Facebook account and that you've selected the right business if you manage more than one. You should see your main overview with things like your pages, inbox, and insights. From here, look for the settings option. This is usually in the left-hand menu. Go ahead and click on settings. This is where you manage everything related to your business account, including people, pages, ad accounts, and permissions. Inside settings, find the section where you manage people, and then look toward the top right corner of the screen for a button that says Invite People. Click on that. This starts the process of adding someone new to your Meta Business Suite. A window will appear asking for the email address of the person you want to add. Type in the email they use for work or the one they'd prefer to receive business notifications on. Double check for typos because the invitation will be sent to this exact address. Once the email is entered correctly, click on Next to move forward. Now you'll see options to choose their level of access. There will be a toggle where you can give them either full control or partial access. Full control is usually for partners or team members you completely trust, because they'll be able to manage most settings and assets. Partial access is better if you just want them to handle specific tasks, like posting content or viewing insights. Choose the option that makes sense for their role, then click Next. Next, you'll see a list of pages connected to your business. Click on the pages you want this person to have access to. You don't have to select everything. Just choose what they actually need to work on. On the right-hand side, you'll see another set of toggles where you can again decide whether they get full control or partial access for each specific page. This lets you be more detailed. For example, you might give them full access to one page, but only limited access to another. Adjust these settings as needed, then click Next. Finally, you'll see a confirmation screen with a button that says something like Invite with 2 assets, or a similar number, depending on how many you selected. Review everything one last time, and when you're happy, click that invite button to send the invitation.